Welcome back, budgeteers. If you're here right now, it means you're fired up and ready to transform your financial future. This is your moment, your chance to take control, level up, and prove to yourself that you can build the life you want. Let's bring the energy, stay focused, and crush these money goals together. In our previous video, we discussed finding your way to financial freedom and money control based on our three-bucket system, naming a bucket for musts, for fun, and for future. Okay, let's talk about the bucket that controls your life. This bucket decides whether you sleep peacefully or stare up at the ceiling in the middle of the night, thinking, why is everything so expensive? Yeah, bucket one, your musts. But hey, don't panic on me now. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this scary bucket into something that's totally predictable, easy to handle, and honestly, pretty empowering. Musts are your financial oxygen. You can't live without them. You can't pretend they don't exist. They're the bills that show up, whether you invited them or not. Housing costs can really add up, whether it's rent, mortgage payments, or those pesky property taxes. Groceries, the good stuff. Not just those random snacks we always grab. We're talking fresh fruits, veggies, and all the yummy things that make meals exciting. You've got your essentials covered: power, water, gas, and internet. Can't live without them, right? Transportation costs can add up fast. Think car payments, gas, insurance, bus passes, and even bike repairs. It's all those household essentials that we just can't live without, like paper products, soap, and cleaning supplies. They keep our homes running smoothly, right? These are the non-negotiables. They're the financial parents of your budget. They don't care what you want. They care what you need. Let's be honest. Bucket one feels like it's getting bigger every single month. Groceries prices up. Rent is increasing. Electricity randomly deciding to cost more for no reason. It's not that you're bad with money. It's that life keeps getting more expensive even when your paycheck refuses to join the party. But here's the plot twist. Even though your musts can feel totally out of control, you have way more power here than you think. To shrink bucket one, you need one mindset shift that changes everything. Your essentials are predictable, and predictable equals controllable. When you know your musts, you stop guessing. You stop panicking. You stop having surprise bills because nothing is a surprise anymore. Think of it like organizing your closet. Once everything has a place, you suddenly feel like an adult who actually has their life together. So, how do you take control of bucket one? First, track only your musts for 30 days. Forget tracking everything else for now. Just focus on the essentials. This is the part where a lot of financial anxiety disappears because clarity kills fear. Second, find your must percentage. Take your total must spending for the month and divide it by your take-home pay. Most people fall into one of these categories. If it's under 60%, you're doing great. If it's between 60 and 75%, it might be time to make some adjustments. And if it's over 75%, your musts are holding your budget hostage. But no shame, we're going to fix that. Third, find your silent budget killers. These are sneaky expenses hiding inside your must category. Things like buying groceries without a list, letting subscriptions auto-renew without checking them, or keeping the fastest internet plan in the neighborhood even though you only use it to watch TikToks. These silent killers drain your budget without you even noticing. Fourth, renegotiate everything. People underestimate the power of negotiation so much. Call your internet provider. Call your insurance company. Adjust your phone plan. You'd be absolutely shocked how many companies magically find discounts the moment you ask. And finally, build a must buffer fund. Life happens. Cars break down. Utility bills spike. Your fridge decides to stop working on a random Tuesday. Setting aside just 20 to 50 bucks a month for a little buffer fund can really save you from those annoying surprises. Seriously, it's like having a safety net when life throws you a curveball. You know what I mean? Just a small amount can make a big difference when unexpected expenses pop up. And once you shave even $50 to $100 off this bucket, that money flows directly into your fun or future buckets. That's where the magic really happens. When you master bucket one, everything changes. Your budget feels calmer. Your stress levels drop. Your choices expand. You get your power back. You get your confidence back. You get your life back. And trust me, you are well on your way to financial freedom. Thanks for tuning in. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we have even more powerful budgeting tips headed your way. Stick with us, and we'll help you take charge of your money crush your goals, and build the financial future you deserve.